Hello once again and welcome back. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to see the new Luminar AI 1.4. The Luminar AI is the best software for any photographer or anyone who like to make some photo adjustments. If you want to do some sky replacement and other cool stuff, you can visit this website and you can get your Luminar AI. And if you are a photographer or you do something that involves like photo retouching and other things, especially if you want to do some sky replacement, you can go and invest in this plugin and you will never regret at all. And I have it, and if you want to get it, you can go and buy it. And if you are not satisfied about the product, there is a 30 days money back guarantee where you can get your money when the product is not as you expected it to be. Without further ado, let's go ahead and install our Luminar AI inside Adobe Photoshop and in Lightroom if you have it installed. And in this case I have it here. I'm going to perform the installation and I will try to access it in the Photoshop, and the processes are the same as in the Lightroom. So let's go ahead, and this is my setup, and this is the dependency that requires to use this Luminar AI, and I have my license. And if you haven't any, you can go on the website and get one. So I will go ahead and double click on the setup, like simple things to open the setup, and I will press next, and I will accept the license agreement. And if you have any stomach to read this one, you can go ahead and read, but I don't have that stomach, so I'm going to press accept. I don't care about the license agreement. Whether you can agree or not, you need to press agree. Okay, let me go ahead and press next. And this is the installation folder. I can prefer to leave it as it is. It is in the C program files, Skyrim Luminar AI. Okay, and go ahead and press next. And after now we click on install, it will begin the installation. So let me go ahead and press install and wait for a couple of minutes. So in order for this to never bore you or take so much time, I'm going to speed up, and I will come back when the software has been completed successfully. There we go, and you can see that the setup have been completed successfully. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on finish, and we'll have to enter my license. That is not what I'm going to show in this video, but I would show you Luminar AI 4.0 up and running after I configure my license. So let's go ahead. Yes, now we are ready to go with our Luminar AI, and I'm gonna go ahead and press double click on this one. And it's a pretty heavy software. You have to pay attention according to your system requirements, because they can like damage it. It requires a lot of processing power. And I'm going to wait for it to open, and I hope it won't take long. You can speed up like on the speed of light, and it is showing me that it is telling me that I have to have this OpenGL 3.3 and later, and I don't have to have one. I think it will work. So it is requiring me to update my graphic drivers, so I will do it later on. I'm gonna go ahead and press OK and wait for a bit. Come on, there we go. And as you can see now, my Luminar AI is installed, and I have previously opened this picture. So whenever you want to see any change or any of these menus, you have to import picture. I have my picture imported here, even though it doesn't come in the workspace because of my graphics, but you can perform many things here. So the first thing that you have to see is all these options that are included here, where you can explore more and more. You can see all they have been added so far, and this software, you see all these things, or this core adjustment has been made in this version. You can go ahead and explore more. And without talking too much, I'm going to show you how you can use it as a plugin tool. So I am going to install the extension in my Photoshop, and then I will try to open the Photoshop to see the changes. If you have a Lightroom, you can go ahead and also configure in the Lightroom. So I will go ahead and click on Luminar AI, and I will go on File, and I will go where it's written install plugins. And after I click on install plugins, I will see all my Adobe products where this Luminar AI can be run on. So in this case, I'm going to choose my Adobe Photoshop because it is the one that is pre-installed. I don't have my Lightroom installed in this system, so I will choose the one that I have configured and installed on this system. In this case, I'm going to choose my Adobe Photoshop, and I click install, and then it is now asking me to run it as administrator. So I'm going to run it as administrator, and I'm coming back when it's ready now to go. After restarting it and run it as an administrator, you're going to repeat the same process. I'm gonna go ahead and press on the Luminar AI logo. I'll go on the flyers, then I will go on install plugin, and I will install inside my Photoshop. And as you can see, there is a tick right on the left here, on the left of this Photoshop icon. So it means that my plugin now is ready to be used in the Adobe Photoshop as a plugin. So I'm gonna go ahead and press on done, and I will close my Luminar AI completely. And after closing my Luminar AI, I'm gonna go ahead and open my Adobe Photoshop real quick. And after my Adobe Photoshop is now opened, I can go ahead and open some picture. I'm going to open some random picture so as I can show you how the Luminar AI would be appeared in here. So, and let me wait it for opening. My computer is learning a little bit cheeky, but we have to wait for a couple of seconds. I hope it won't take long. Let me put the image of my friend here called Didier, and after I open it in my Photoshop, I'll wait for a bit so as to be opened. Here you go, you can see this guy of mine. So I will go ahead and go on the filter, and you can see on the Skyrim software, we can see our Luminar AI here now. It's now appeared in this Photoshop, so you can go ahead and choose it, Luminar AI, and it can take as much time as it has taken when I was trying to use it in the standalone version, and you have to wait for a couple of seconds so as to be ready, so as we can explore many things. So let me pause, and we come when it's ready. And as you can see now, it is now working directly with our Photoshop and with Luminar in the same time. And guys, I hope you liked this video. This is the end of this video. I hope you would have a fun around with this new Luminar 1.4.0. There will be some versions coming up, and I will make a video on that one. And if you like this video, go ahead and press subscribe and smash the like button, and I will see you in the next one.